Hello, welcome to Leyendas Medievales. Today I will explain the legend of Tristan e Isolda. This legend is developed in the 10th century.
All started when a child was born. His name was Tristan. This child was born without parents because they lost their lives in a battle. So he was born with his uncle Marcus. The English people were at war against Irishmen. In one of many battles, someone wounded Tristan with a spear made of poison, and they thought that Tristan was dead. The tradition is to place the corpse on a wooden boat, burn it, and put it on the surface of the sea. And this was also made with Tristan. And Tristan arrived to Ireland. However, Isolda, daughter of the King of Ireland, finds the funerary boat of Tristan and with the help of her lady hides him to cure, even knowing that he is English. Some days later, Tristan woke up.
Princess Isolda! Princess Isolda! What happened? The young man is waking up.
Where am I? Who are you?
We are a farming family.
Isolda and her lady companion made an agreement to hide their identities. They fell in love. This is the King of Ireland. He is here because a person told him that he saw a funeral boat from England. He suspects that there are English in their coast.
This can't be! English cannot be in my land!
Now is the time.
I know.
Thanks for saving my life. Without you, I could be dead right now. Months later, held a tournament in Ireland, where the winner will reward the hand of Isolda. Tristan will compete on behalf of his uncle. He didn't know that Isolda is a princess. Isolda?
Tristan?
What are you doing here?
I'm the princess.
Are you the princess? You told me that you were a simple peasant.
Yes. I had to hide my identity.
This means that you will marry with my uncle. Later, Mark and Isolda get married. After some weeks, Isolda and Tristan become lovers because they can't stand being apart. Every afternoon, they go to the house where Isolda saved Tristan.
Tristan has a cousin who competes with him for the throne of England, as both are sons of kings, but Tristan is their heir. His cousin discovered the secret of Isolde, and Tristan and it tells the King of Ireland, making for treason and they resume the war against England.
I just saw what we didn't expect her daughter.
Don't wait! Tell me!
My cousin Tristan and his daughter are lovers.
Taking a party that gives the uncle of Tristan, the King of Ireland and his cousin, with power, tend to trap the Tristan as Isolda because the king to discover.
Isolda, but who?
Wait that!
Take Tristan!
No! Please, father, no! I confess. I've been with Tristan lover. Dad, don't do anything, please.
The King of England, after listening the confession of his daughter Isolda, is willing to forgive Tristan. The King of Ireland started again the war and is given a great battle. Among other things, the King of Ireland and the cousin of Tristan die. Tristan is wounded and on death too. Isolda finds the tomb where her lover was buried. She died of sadness over there. After a few years, she became a plant covering the tomb. So the legend of Tristan and Isolda ended here. We hope you like it. Goodbye!